Trees! Okay, so we're gonna go to edit, we're gonna go to preferences, we're gonna go to add-ons, and we're gonna type in sap. We're gonna have this sapling tree gen, and we're gonna toggle this on. If you do Shift A to add something in, go to curve, go to the bottom, you'll see sapling tree gen. Now you can see we have a tree already spawned in. If you go to this menu here, there's a whole list of presets you can go to. And then there's a lot of settings you can go to as well. So if you wanna load a preset, let's do willow. Now it's going to show willow tree, and if we go to geometry and go down leaves, now we can do show leaves, and it's going to have leaves on there. All right, I'm going to hop into the shading editor, and I'm going to select the tree. Let's just give it a tree material. Something like this would do very nicely. I'm going to select the leaves. Let's just make this green for now. It doesn't really matter. This texture is all weird, so let's select the tree. Let's go to objects. Let's go to convert. Let's do mesh. So now we have an actual mesh we can use. Tab in the edit mode, select everything, view, cube, projection, and now these are a bit more organized looking. Once you have one, it's easy enough to make more. Just go back to curve, sapling tree gen, and then you can even make the exact same tree over again and make it just a little bit different. So if I go to geometry, load preset, willow, and then I change the random seed a little bit, we get a bunch of different ideas here. Something like this might be good. This is a pretty easy way to make some quick and pretty low poly results fast.